Hello and welcome to video related to keyboard shortcuts. If you are using Excel and you want to increase your speed and productivity, then I highly recommend you to learn some keyboard shortcut keys. If you move out your hand from keyboard and use mouse, then it will add delay to your working. When you add all of this little delay for days, weeks or months, it will be very significant. If you have interacted with any of the Excel pros, then I hope you would have noticed that when using Excel, they rarely use mouse and they are aware about lot of keyboard shortcut keys. Now, as a resource to this video, I have provided you few cheat sheets which you can take a printout and put up on your desk or save it on your mobile or do whatever you can think of. The cheat sheets contains details of all keyboard shortcuts available in Excel. When I say all, it means that I have documented almost all key combinations available on this keyboard. So this is mostly exhaustive, and if you feel there are any keys being left out, then please share it with me. I will include those as well. So with that, let us have a look at these cheat sheets and we will see how we can navigate through them. So this is the first cheat sheet which I have provided to you. On left hand side, you can see all the alphabet keys are being mentioned. And at the top, you can see I have mentioned alone, shift, control, alt and control shift. So how do you really navigate through this? So if you press shift and then press A, it won't have any shortcut keys. However, if you press control and then press A, it will select all the data. Similarly, if you press control and press B, it will convert the font into bold. You will have to look at all the key combination in this fashion. So first of all, look at the top for the control keys or function keys in later cheat sheets. And then on the left hand side, you can see what keyboard combinations you can use to get that particular shortcut. So let us move on to the next cheat sheet and see what exactly it contains. So in this cheat sheet, you can see I have given function keys on the left hand side, and at the top I have given you if you press it alone and if you press along with shift, control, alt or control shift, what keyboard shortcut it will work. So if you press only F1, it will give you an help window. If you press F2, it will be in an edit mode for a particular cell which you have selected. So if you press shift F2, this will help you to edit the comments. Rather than clicking right click on a particular cell and then click edit comment, this will really help you. Similarly, you can look at other keyboard shortcut keys. So with that, let us move on to another cheat sheet. So here I have given you some special keys which are available above the numbers. So if you press them and also press control, it will help you to get these shortcut keys. So if you press control and tilde key, all your cells will be showing formula view instead of normal view. If you press control shift and this tilde key, you will get a general format for numbers. Similarly, you can look at other keyboard sheet combinations. So you should learn these shortcut keys and remember those which you think you would need frequently. And very soon your hands will automatically move to those keys instead of mouse. You do not have to put extra conscious effort to use them. I hope this is really helpful to you and will help you increase your productivity while working on Excel. So that's it from my side guys. See you in next video.